shoot this video. First of all, I want to thank all the people who actually responded to our last email and have booked appointments with me so we can sit down, we can talk about a plan for you. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. I appreciate you opening my emails and actually responding. So thank you so much. If you haven't done so, just reply to this last email and I'll resend out the questionnaire that I sent out that will help you make a decision about working alongside with me. Like I said, I promised you in my next email that I was going to walk you through the process. So I'm going to take you baby steps. I'm going to turn my camera around, show you the computer, and show you exactly what Lead Skimmer can do for you and how Debt Killer Academy will work. All right, so let me do that right now. Hold on. So everybody's going to start here, and you're going to get this capture page. You don't have to create it; it's created for you, and has social proof on this. And I also will help you with social proof on other pages. This helps people to put in the correct name and correct email. Okay. So once they walk through this, you're gonna have an opportunity, if you decide to upgrade, to have this be the second thing that they see, right? And of course, people will click on this link, and it will take them to this page here, right? Everyone is going to also get this page, right? Everybody's going to get this page. This page is going to be created for everyone. But if you want to personalize it, then you would have to upgrade. So it can, one of the things that you need to understand is when people have a way to continue, which is called a funnel, if you've never heard of that, you don't want them to have to stop. You're in the middle of the funnel and do something else, like go to their email. People may be doing something, they may not be at a place where they can actually go to their email, and then other emails might bury your email. So you want to have the tools that will help you actually go straight to, even though this is designed for people who don't have an email, who don't have the full package, right? For anyone who actually joins will get this page, which is a little bit different. That will click them to the next step, which will be the actual sign up page for Debt Killer Academy. And again, some social proof will be on the page. And you have two choices in this package. So this would be like the first stop, right? So there's the Elite, which is, the basic, which is $37, one-time offer. You don't have to come out your pocket more than once. And then $147, you come out of your pocket once. If you purchase this, you make $29 every time somebody does this action, does what you just did, right? And most people will probably choose this, but the people who want to actually earn $100 with a one-time fee of $147, that'll put you in a better position, because you'll be able to get both this and this at this level. When you pick this, you just get this level. Okay, so it's just advantageous if you can possibly do the big higher package, and plus you get more. You get more training and more opportunity to use different platforms to drive traffic. Everybody gets the bonuses though, and one of which is a half an hour coaching that I'm giving away for free now, even before you join. And just one more thing about Lead Skimmer. So let me sign in. I want to show you the packages that you get. So hold on one second. Yeah, so your back office, you can upgrade. And I just want to explain the upgrades to you so you can understand. So you can use this for free, guys. You don't have to upgrade, but it'll give you more income. That's basically it. In option one, you pay $44.95, right? And when you do that, you're going to be able to get more tools to use. Plus, you get $25 for each person that upgrades also For people who don't upgrade that are in your lead lines, you get paid on them too, and it's explained in the videos when you get started, right? So watch the videos. I always tell people to watch the videos. Option 2 is the one that I recommend because you can also get this package alongside of this package. You get the full marketing suite, so that you can put those pages in, these pages in that I told you about before. Right, this page, you're gonna get this page, right, with this part in it because you have the package and all your emails, everything done. So all the emails that you want to send to your subscribers or people who want to do what you just did, you're gonna be able to do the same thing. So, and get paid get paid 40 or 100 residual income. That's monthly income. So every time somebody comes into this funnel and they get Lead Skimmer, and they take Debt Killer Academy, which teaches you how to use all of this stuff, right? All the stuff that you see here teaches you how to use everything, right? You get paid $29. And then if those people want to really increase their income or just want to grow in the industry and they upgrade to any of these, you get a monthly, you get one-time payment of this if they do this one, but if they choose this option 2, you get a monthly income as well. And I just want to express to you guys that when you do a monthly income, it just helps you. It's a continuous monthly flow where you don't have to hustle every time. And the combination in this funnel where you get one-time payment, monthly payment, one-time payment, monthly payment, one-time payment, monthly payment, you will see that you will be out of debt. But you have to understand and get to the point where it becomes something that you see as an investment, as something that you can move forward with, and something that you can obtain wealth from. When I say wealth, it doesn't have to be monetary wealth. It could just be wealth in terms of time, wealth in terms of you don't have to always be struggling all the time. You have another source of income coming in because you learned how to do stuff. And at any time you want to pick it up, pull it down, pick it up, put it down, is yours for the taking, because all of these things that you invest in is for you, is there for life. The continuous program you have to pay monthly to get monthly. But what I offer in the Debt Killer Academy is yours for life. So I just wanted you to understand it. If you don't, get on a half-an-hour coaching. Make sure you email me if you didn't get the questionnaire, and then set up in a half-an-hour coaching. Again, thanks for those who actually have done that, and I'll meet you soon. Take care, and I hope this video was helpful.